Are you interested in construction? Come and discover what it's like to be a student at the Manchester College.
This is the carpentry and joinery workshop. We do a lot of practical work here that gets you started and ready for site. We make roofs, we hang doors, we build staircases, fix kitchens, guttering, you name it, we can get you started on it.
Welcome to the plumbing department at the Manchester College. In here we've got an array of different areas for people to go and work. So we do bathroom suites, we've got maintenance areas, central heating, hot water, cold water, sanitation and drainage.
This is the brickwork department, and at the moment we do level 1 and level 2 brickwork. We've got a lot of great facilities here, new teaching techniques, new bricklaying techniques. So you're going to do basic brickwork, basic hand tool skills, and then with the level 2 course your work's going to be a bit more technical, doing cavity walling, solid walling, all sorts of things, give you a feel of the actual trade you're going into.
This is the plastering department here at Manchester College. We do several different qualifications. We do the level 1 certificate. We also do the level 2 diploma. We work to industrial standards with the tools and materials. We use live plasters, exactly what you'd use on a construction site. They'll use things like hard wall to concrete block. They'll dry line to concrete block. They'll also fix plasterboards mechanically. They'll also learn how to skim them using different methods. They'll give them the experience to move forward so that they can go on to an industrial type standard and that environment going forward.
I am a tutor for painting and decorating. We're offering skills which are needed in the industry, such as preparation, paint application, different types of wall coverings. We use specialist tools and equipment to get the desired effects, very different than DIY application at homes, so it has to be up to industry standards, very precise.
This is the electrical installations workshop where we do all of the practical installation work with students. People get to learn the basic hand skills here, including how to bend plastic conduit, how to cut and bend metal conduit, and how to install things like tray and trunking. They also learn how to wire up circuits, including lighting circuits and power circuit sockets. All of our equipment is to industry standard. All the students who come through here are trained to the highest standards.
And with the links with employers, they're designing our curriculum as well. We get the employers to look at the schemes of learning and then they add into it. They'll tell us some modern techniques which are not included in City and Guilds, but because of the links with employers, we're bringing these new technologies in. So that'll give them an insight of what they're expected to do on site.